Hi everyone, welcome to this week's video. In this week I'm going to be showing you last week's thrift store haul, and right now I've got this week's, or some of this week's thrift store haul around me. In our next video we will be transforming these, gotta wait and see how, into something new and exciting and repurposed. We also have this guy back here which we'll also be working on, and then I'll show you a quick snippet in the next video of our thrift haul also from this week. But for now, go ahead and enjoy last week's thrift store haul. Evie's going to help me do a thrift haul, kind of show you what we got at Goodwill and kind of my idea for what I'm going to do with the different projects. We've got everything here, so yeah, let's get started. The first thing we found, which Evie likes, you want to show it, is a lantern base. Don't worry, it doesn't have anything in it. She likes it, so it's really cute. We'll see if we can find a cute chimney for it, maybe put it on a shelf, something like that. We also got this. It's like those blue camping, kind of, I don't know if it's considered a pitcher, but that you put on campfire stoves. I thought that'd be a really cute piece of decor to put some plants, succulents, or maybe a candle in. And we're working on painting this ladder, as I promised. Turn it that way so you can see it. I also got these really cute piece of embroidery. I like those. Yeah, that's pretty, huh? Good job. Let's throw it all in the bucket. We also got this. It's a pig cutting board. Hopefully people will like that. It's cute. We got this little stool, which we'll probably paint in white or this mint color, maybe a little darker, maybe pink. We'll see. Got this telephone, fake, probably Hobby Lobby knockoff, but it's a cute piece of decor. Oh, yeah. It's nice, huh? Then we got this rose box. Opens up, and the cool part is the wood burning's on the inside and the outside. You don't really see that. Okay, you put it away, okay? Can you put it away? Next we also got this magazine rack, which I've seen where they paint them and then put pans, kitchenware, things like that. So I'll repaint that and then link how I do that once that's done. Yeah. Really. Also got these two little crates. We'll see if those get painted. Not sure. Usually those look good by themselves. And then this bowl. Excuse me. I'm going to show the bowl, which Evie likes for storage, is a TJ Maxx bowl, retailed at TJ Maxx for $30. Got a pretty good deal on it at Goodwill. We'll see how that goes. I'll probably leave it as is. Won't probably paint it. We did that. And then, I'm be careful with this one. This is a very unique piece. I've never seen anything like this before. It's hard to see in the video. I'll put a better video in of it, but it's a candle holder, but it's kind of these artificial wire twigs, which are really cool. Put that back here. And then I'll put a better video of this in, but this is that gossip bench I was talking about. I'm actually going to turn this into a charging station. It's got a lot of pockets and cubbies in it, so I'm going to drill it out in places, run cables, paint it, make it look really cool. So that'll be a fun project. And then I got this painting. I usually don't get artwork because artwork is really hard to sell, but this one's really cool. It's a blue jay on a wheel. I don't like the frame, so I'm going to repaint that. Let me go out of the frame for a second. And then we got this rocker. It's really cute. It's a kid size rocker. We'll probably paint this in either a yellow or a pink, something really cute. It does need some work, so I'll probably post a video of fixing that up. Sometimes when you find thrift store stuff, it's not in great shape, and it's just good to repaint it. Also got this piece of artwork, which is cool. I like the colors. And then last but not least, you'll see this in another video or this video, not sure, but this is a piece that I just finished myself. It's an old drawer that goes underneath a bed. It was an old kind of Santa Fe style drawer. I didn't care for it. I didn't like it. It had a lot of wear marks on it, odd coloring in the wood, so I whitewashed it. I am going to get a new handle because I don't like the handle, but whitewashed it, put a bottom on it, and then these cool industrial legs, which we'll do a tutorial on how to do this. It is pretty sturdy, so you can see I put the bottom on that myself, the legs, everything like that, so I'll show you how to do that. And that is our thrift store haul. Thank you, Evie, for helping and stacking everything in the picture. She put my measuring tape in there, so she's great at helping. We will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Excited that we got 300 views on our very first video, so that was super exciting. Please keep watching, and if you can, hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up if you like it.
Found out about it on Twitter later. Guess I should pay more attention when there's tornadoes around. They see me rolling. They hate it.
Yeah.